you're new to my channel, then I hope you will find time to subscribe to my channel to be updated. Also, you can click the notification bell so that you will be updated from time to time for any video that I'm going to upload. So this time, what I have in mind to share with you is how to solve for the median, or rather how to solve the mean for group data set. I mean, for a non-row data, what is the process, or what's the way or the method of solving its mean? So with that,
So here is our example. We have already the frequency distribution table. Again, if you wanted to find out how to come up with a frequency distribution table from a row data, then come check my channel and you will find there a video also of how to construct a frequency distribution table. Now for this time, like I mentioned in the intro, we are going to work for measure of central tendency mean for group data. This is our group data. Now, this is part of the given, because this is quite long if you are going to put all together in one activity. We have our given, the class interval, and the frequency of the data set. Now, the first step is come up with the midpoint or the class mark of a given data set. How to do that one? It's simple. To get the class mark or x sub m for a given data set, that is actually the average of your lower limit plus the upper limit divided by 2. For example, for the first column or the first group, you have 18 plus 27 divided by 2, you have 22.5. That is our first, or that's our class mark, 22.5. Okay? So, to continue, you can do the same thing. Lower limit plus upper limit of this interval, and then divided by 2, you will get the answer. But I'd rather suggest just add the previous midpoint with our class width to get the next the next midpoint, so which is 22 plus 5 plus 22.5 plus 10, that is 32.5, and then you have 42.5, you have 52.5, you have also 62.5, and then 72.5. Now to double check, so using our calculator here, of course, they said that calculator is really needed in statistics class, so I suppose I should have one. So just to double check, 68 plus 77 divided by 2, that is 72. There you go, it's 72. That is our midpoint. Now, the next thing that we need to have is, actually we will get the product of our class frequency, the frequency of each class interval, and then divided, or rather we have to multiply it with our class mark. That's the purpose why the two columns were put together in this example. So let's start with the first one. 5 times 22.5, you have 112.5. Then you have 6 times 32.5, that is 195. Then you have 10 times 42.5, you have 425. 15 times 52.5, that is 787.5. And then this is 625. And then 72.5 times 4, that's 290. Okay, so this is now the next column, or the column which is we need to get its sum. We will add all of this. We have 112.5 plus 195 plus 425 plus 787.5 plus 625 plus 290. The total is, we'll get the total here, 2,435. And then this is the summation of this one. Okay, so later, this is needed in computing our mean. So our formula, or the formula for the mean, that's x bar of a group data. This is solving for the mean. So what we need to do here is, the formula, by the way, it is the summation of fx sub m divided by the total or the sample size. So in this case, the table actually have all the information. That's the purpose why we took the summation of this column, because that's what's needed here. So the summation of fx sub m, the summation of this column is 2,435. So we will just add it one. So you have 2,435 divided by, here's our sample size, our n, which is 50. So we have 2,435 divided by 50. That is 48.7. That is our mean. So for this example, actually this is the problem related to the randomly selected 50 customers of a travel agency. These were ages. This frequency here are the ages of the randomly selected 50 travelers of SJS travel agency. So you notice that the average age of the 50 randomly selected sample is 48.7 years old. Approximately, since this is age, approximately 49 years old. That's the average age of the randomly selected 50 sample. So that's how we compute, guys, the mean of group data, and this is our example. So if you have question, then please leave your question in the comment section. If you have correction, or shall I say you have a better suggestion on doing this one, then please do leave a comment in the comment section. So with that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified next time that we will have, or that I will have, a new uploaded video. So once again, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in, and keep safe.